Start. I am directed to say that as a step towards toning up discipline at all levels, it was decided in the Conference of Commissioners and Deputy Commissioners held at Simla in September 1959 that it is imperative that the normal channels of correspondence should be observed in all government administration, even though this may cause some delay in individual cases. Stop. I am to request that this decision may be brought to the notice of all government servants under you for strict compliance. Stop. I am directed to inform you that instances have come to the notice of the government where government servants held guilty in departmental proceedings succeed in courts of law on technical grounds and thus escape punishment of dismissal, etc., and consequently are also given full pay and allowances due to them under the order of the courts. Stop. Government feels that this is mainly due to the fact that these cases are dealt with the departments concerned by officials who were not fully acquainted with rules and procedure on the subject. Stop. Such cases not only bring a bad name to government but also enable the guilty persons to escape proper punishment. Stop. With a view to avoid recurrence of such cases in future. Stop. Government have decided that whenever a new official comes into a department and occupies a position where he has to deal with these cases, he should be specially asked to make himself fully acquainted with rules and procedures relating to these cases. Stop. It has further been decided that the senior officers should occasionally collect officials of the department and make them aware of the relevant rules. Stop. It is hoped that if this system is strictly adhered to, it will save government from bad name and at the same time make escape for a guilty person on mere technical grounds impossible. Stop. These instructions may be brought to the notice of all government servants working under you for strict compliance. Stop. Over.